Hi class, I've heard from many of you that Epic is not working, and I just learned about another online library service that we have. When you open self-service, in the search bar, look for Mackinvia, M-A-C-K-I-N, and it will come up right here. Click install. I already have it installed, so I'm going to open it and show you how to log in. Click sign in, and we will search for our school. In the top line, write Spring Lake Park. Oops. And our school will not come up. Please select Park Terrace Elementary. That's another one of our elementary schools in Spring Lake Park. We are not the Spring Lake Park in Texas, so click the top one. Your user ID is going to be the first part of your email, just your username. So I'm going to log in as Ryan. His user ID is 32RZINEL. Notice we're not doing the rest of his email, just the first username part. His password is the same password as his My Panthers, so I will put that in. And click login. I'll try that one more time. Spring Lake Park, Park Terrace, all right, I guess I entered his password incorrectly the first time. Here you'll see Spring Lake Parks, digital library, ebooks. Stay in ebooks. You can use this to actually reserve library texts as well, but these are books that you can open on your iPad. So, for example, Ryan is learning about stars for his research project. So in resources at the top, we can search for stars. And all of these books will come up. You can check them out and have them downloaded to your iPad, or you can open and preview the book to see if it's something that you're interested in. Just like Epic, you can swipe through the pages, just like that. I hope that you enjoy your new library books. Let me know if you have any issues logging in.